Hello everyone, welcome to numerical series of utilization. And today our numerical problem is our 200 tons motor coach having a 4 motor is developing 6000 Newton meter torque during acceleration. Start from rest if the gradient is 30 in 1000, gear ratio 4, gear transmission efficiency 90%, wheel radius 45 centimeter, train resistance 15 newtons per tons, addition of rotational inertia 10%. Calculate the time taken to attain a speed of 50 km per hour if the line voltage is 3000 volt DC and efficiency of motor is 85%. Find the current during notching period. Solution. First of all, write all the given data. Weight of train W equal to 200 Newton. Diameter of train, driving wheel D equal to 2 into 45. This is wheel diameter. So this is the radius. So diameter equal to 2 into 45. That is 19 centimeter, 0.9 meter, and percentage gradient is 30. 30. So and this is given 30 in 1000. So 30 upon 1000 into 100, that is 3%. And tractive resistance are 50 Newton per tons, and gear ratio gamma equal to 4. Gear transmission efficiency eta equal to 90% or 0.9. Equivalent acceleration, weight of a train WC 1.1 into 1.10 into 200, 200, that is extra 10% given. So 1.10 into 200, that is 220 tons, and total torque T equal to 4 into 6000, that is 24,000. Here the torque, 4 motor and each have 6000 Newton meter. So 4 into 6000, that is 24,000. And tractive effort we know, and Ft equal to eta T 2 gamma upon D. So value of eta 0.9, torque 24,000. This is from formula 2, and this is the gear ratio. Gear ratio is 4 upon 0.9, that is 19200 Newton. And let the acceleration of train be alpha kilometer. So Ft equal to 2.277.8 We alpha plus 9.81 Wg plus Wr. So put all these value and you can get the value of alpha equal to 2.015 kilometer per hour per second. So time taken for the train to attain a speed of 50 kilometer equal to b upon alpha. So 50 upon 0.2.015, that is 24.82 second. And power output from the driving axle Ft into b upon 3600. So 19200 into 50 upon 3600, that is 266.7 kilowatt. And we know power input equal to power output upon efficiency. So we have power output and efficiency, then we can get power input equal to 3137 kilowatt, and total current drawing equal to power input in kilowatt into 1000 upon B. So we have power input into, this is power input in kilowatt 3137 into 1000 upon 3000. So we can get 1046 ampere, and current drawn per motor equal to 1046 upon 4, that is 261.5 ampere.